Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will see how to grow this gorgeous flowering creeper garlic vine from its stem cutting. I have a detailed video on this plant. Please do check the video. I have shared its link. Let's talk about how to grow them. It's very easy to grow from its stem cutting. How? Let me show you. The entire plant has woody stems. It's like semi-wood. So all you need to do is take semi-wood cutting, something like this, which has some brownish and greenish color texture. Take a cutting with at least 2 to 3 nodes into this. When I talk about nodes means these joints from where new shoots and leaves grow. So take a big cutting with at least 2 to 3 nodes and you can easily grow them in pots with a mixture of compost and sand. You can grow its cutting in your normal garden soil also. So here I have taken 2 stem cuttings with multiple nodes. Now I will make 4 cuttings out of it. Now make a 45-degree angle cut at the bottom, something like this, and then remove the bottom leaves. Now scrape off the top layer of the stem near the cut at the bottom, and this will speed up the root formation. So here I am taking a small size pot with multiple drainage holes and I will cover it with some broken pot pieces. You can use gravels, stones, anything so that excess water and soil will not get drained off. And for the growing media I am taking normal garden soil only. Now just insert the cutting into the soil at least 2 inches deep, and if you have rooting hormone, dip the cutting into it before planting. Now water it well and keep the pot in shade, and within 15-20 days you will see it will start showing sign of growth. You can just cover its cuttings with some polythene or plastic sheet to increase its success rate. So that's all for this gorgeous flowering creeper, guys. Do grow them if you find this plant anywhere in your neighborhood. Get a cutting and plant them in pots and containers. If it's not anywhere in your neighborhood, go visit some nurseries. Its season is there, so there are possibilities you'll get it there. If it's not there in nurseries also, I'll share a few links. You can buy them online. So that's all for today, and I will come up with new video soon. Bye-bye.